Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to design a simple and modern fitness logo from scratch, using a step-by-step process that beginners can easily follow. Make sure to watch till the end. We're designing a fitness brand called Stride. The goal is to create a clean monogram logo using the letters S and T, with motion and an arrow to represent growth and forward progress. Before starting the design, I first explored some keywords to understand the brand direction. Don't stick to just one idea. Try different concepts and explore multiple directions. The more you explore, the more ideas you'll get. I kept the design simple and focused on a clean S plus T monogram, then added a subtle arrow to represent growth and forward movement. I used a grid system to maintain proper alignment and proportions, and then used the Shape Builder tool to combine and refine the final form. For colors, I chose a modern blue palette to keep the logo clean, energetic, and suitable for a fitness brand. This is the final result, a simple, modern, and scalable monogram logo. If you're a beginner and want to learn logo design step by step, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.